Welcome back, everybody. So, guys, in this class, I just want to teach you something more. So, do you really think that we need this stuff which is not usable for us? So, I'm just gonna delete all them. You know how to make them. I'm just making something for your practice. Just put the div, and just need to make the tab here, and it will work. Or you can make the container like this one, and just need to make a tab, and this will be like if I duplicate that, and here you will see the thing, the tab, and now you can see that. Here I'm just duplicating and pressing enter, and now you can see that. In this way, this works. If I just add the container, duplicate that, oh come on, I just don't want to save things. And now I hope you just understood all these things, how we can deal with them. Come on. And in the same way, how easy is to make the container, the child of the container header, the child or the plus sign dot nav. Now, instead of doing the dot, I'm just directly making the header plus nav. Okay, what I mean this, actually I'm just using the HTML5 version of things. The nav and what more, the plus, the content, the plus, the footer. Now duplicate that, and now this tab, you can see that by using this statement we just can make the whole things. How easy it is to make. Now, well, today class, what I just want to teach you, actually I just want to teach you the replication or duplication, how we can do that. Just put the things like div at the star sign, or you can say the multiply sign. Just press the shift and the A, and you got this sign. Asterisk also is, it's called asterisk actually. So by the way, how much divs do you want? I just want the 5 divs. Just add a tab, and now you got 5 divs. Whoa, cool. That's awesome. The div asterisk 5, and I got that. Now I'm just going down. I'm just making something more. Suppose we want like div, or yeah, div dot class 1, okay, and a child of p, and now I just want p as 5. Add a tab, now you got the class 1 div, and the p is pr5. That means it's actually working perfectly. So I know that you just understood the sorting in a complete way. I'm just gonna make something really interesting. The ul I just want, and I just want the li inside the ul, and inside the ul, inside the li, every li, I want a tag, okay, with the hyperreference. For now I'm adding the, oh sorry, this way, come on. Oh come on, I just missed the command. I just need to type that back. Well, no issue. I'm just typing it here again, the li, and I just want the a, and actually it will get the hyperreference automatically, so we just don't need that. Just press the tab, and now you can see that the ul and the li and a inside the li. Okay, that's cool. Duplicate and now do that. Now I'm just going down, and I'm just doing another interesting things, the ul and the li. I just want the li around 8, or whatever you want, and inside the li I just want the a. Now what is the meaning? Just add a tab, and now you can see that the li and the a, you can see that how cool these things are. And another interesting thing I just want to teach you, we just want to put the same value to all that hrefs. So add a tab, and just click there and add a tab, and just drag it down, and just put like the hash, and now you can see that the hash everywhere. So how easy is to make the navigation. And plus, if you just want to make some add some kind of classes or the id, so what you can do, just press enter. And first of all, I'm just going there back, and I'm just making an enter, and I'm just making ul. I just want to make not you confuse h and a. Okay, now I'm just going down, and I'm just making something. Now you can understand how easy it is to make these things and how fast they can be produced. 8 and the a. Okay, now I just want the ul dot ul1 and li dot li list or whatever. Now just go there and add a tab, and now you can see that the ul and li list. Now in the same way you can put the values there too. So by the way, how easy it is to deal with these things, I'm just going to teach some more in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.